Okay, let's hop straight into this video. I had these twisted for 3 days and now I'm about to take them down. I'll be using tea tree oil that I got from the beauty supply store, and I will also be using a scrunchie that I also got from the beauty supply store to section my hair. So I'm taking the top section and just putting it in the ponytail so I have room to work with the back section. So I'm taking some of the tea tree oil, not a lot, and putting it in my hand and just rubbing it together and rubbing it all over the twist so it helps minimize the frizz that I have. Now we're going to start the process of taking down a twist. You basically start from the very bottom and just unravel the twist. It's so simple. Like, you just start from the bottom and then just unravel the hair. You don't try to rip it apart or anything like that. It's just like you're twisting backwards and taking down your hair. Hopefully you can see from this view better. I'm basically starting from the very bottom and pulling it apart gently so I don't create that much frizz, and just slowly unraveling the hair. It looks like I'm going kind of fast, but actually I'm taking my time, making sure I don't create too much frizz. So for the remainder of the video, I'm just going to be showing you how I take down my head. That's just simply it, just untwisting it just like you're twisting but backwards. And at the end, I'll show you how I separate my twist and fluff it to make it bigger. how my hair looks straight after the twists have been taken down. They're still kind of in like rods, so I separate them to make my hair bigger. So to separate my hair, I just grab random pieces and I pull at the bottom so it naturally separates, and I just feel for the pieces that like want to separate, and I just pull them apart very gently. Again, making sure that I don't create too much frizz, but yes, just pulling from the bottom and finding where it really wants to separate and then pulling it apart. So right here, I had to put my glasses back on to see was it separated enough or was it big enough for me, because I really couldn't see without my glasses, and I'm just taking the last pieces and making it bigger and fluffing it with my hand so I can see if I like it. And this is the end result of how big it gets. Well, it gets bigger over time, but this is after me fluffing and separating my hair. And I just love how my hair looks, my color, and everything. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy and I hope you learned something. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you're notified every time I'm updated. Thank you for watching, and see you guys later.